On today's Disney Roundup, Tiana's Bayou Adventure gift shops are revealed in the Magic Kingdom along with the new look inside the ride, changes are being made to disability access service, and new restaurants are coming to downtown Disney. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting with parks news, while we still wait for an official opening date for Tiana's Bayou Adventure, Disney has shared a new look inside the ride and the shops that will be at the Magic Kingdom. Disney has revealed the last batch of musicians hoping to hit big time at Tiana Celebration during Mardi Gras season. These critters who bring jazzy sounds and complex rhythms of Afro-Cuban music to life in the Bayou. There's Felipe the Frog, Myra the Frog, Mondo the Frog, and Isabella the Green Tree Frog. Of course, not everyone you meet in the attraction is a musician. Among others, a couple of amphibious friends who love to sit back, relax, and catch up on all the gossip from around the Bayou. Gloria and Dolores the Frogs are best friends who love to observe folks as they float in logs down the bayou. Don't be surprised if they keep their watchful eyes on you as they float by. Also keep an eye out for Larry the Armadillo. This mischievous fella, while quite in demeanor, seems to always show up where you least expect him and is said to have a habit of borrowing things that aren't his. Over this past week as well, new signage has been installed at the Magic Kingdom for gift shops located near Tiana's Bayou Adventure. When guests will get off the ride, they will exit and go through Tiana's Bayou General. Nearby at what once was the Briar Patch gift shop, guests can now find the Critter Co-op. At the Critter Co-op, there's lots to see on display in the windows, including instruments, Tiana's hot sauce, and even notes from Tiana. No further details on either gift shop at the Magic Kingdom have been shared at this time. Guests planning to visit the Disney parks soon, be aware that changes are being made to the Disability Access Service. Over this past week, Disney has shared that they have updated their accessibility service websites for Walt Disney World and Disneyland Resort, which will showcase a variety of tools guests can plan their visits, make their time more enjoyable, and help identify services they require. Along with the updates to the websites, Disney is also taking steps to preserve existing accessibility services to ensure that the guests who truly need these services continue to receive them. Here are the 5 things you need to know about these updates. 1. Disney is adding more cast members and investigating specialized training on each coast to help guests identify and better understand the recommended tools and options based on their needs. 2. The accessibility services teams at the Walt Disney World Resorts and the Disneyland Resorts are here to assist guests with questions they have about the services. Guests visiting are encouraged to engage with cast members pre-arrival through the website and virtual video chats. 3. Disney is teaming up with Inspire Health Alliance's health professionals to help cast members as needed, determine eligibility for appropriate accommodations, and ensure these accommodations are provided for the guests whom they are intended. 4. Disney will be making efforts to preserve the Disability Access Service for those it's intended to accommodate. Only those guests who, due to a development disability, like autism or similar, are unable to wait in a conventional queue for an extended period of time. To help with this, Disney is also extending Disability Access Service enrollment for eligible guests from 60 days to 120 days and adjusting Disability Access Service party size to include no more than 4, except for immediate family members. 5. These updates will take effect on May 20th at Walt Disney World Resorts and on June 18th at the Disneyland Resorts. Announced over this past week, Disney has shared that they will be reimagining Walt Disney Studios Park at Disneyland Paris. Walt Disney Studios Park continues its transformation and expansion, starting with a brand new name for the destination. The location will be renamed Disney Adventure World, coinciding with when World of Frozen opens, bringing with it a new creative vision that will nearby double the park's footprint and transform it into a world of adventure. As Walt Disney Studios Park begins its reimagining to Disney Adventure World, soon you'll be able to experience a brand new park entrance sequence that welcomes you to the park's promenade, Adventure Way, along with new experiences, attractions, and enhancements designed to transport you right into the heart of memorable Disney stories. Disney Adventure World will mark the beginning of a brand new story, which starts with the park's entrance sequence in spring of 2025. You can already visit Avengers Campus and World of Pixar, but soon another immersive immersive location will open at Disneyland Paris, World of Frozen. Here you'll be able to journey into the kingdom of Arendelle. Raipun's Tangle Spin, inspired by the beloved Disney animation movie Tangled, will take you on a spin through the iconic floating lantern scene before setting off to try the delicious dishes over at the Regal View Restaurant and Lounge. This new table service restaurant will offer you spectacular views of Adventure Bay, along with the chance to meet some of your favorite Disney princesses. Beginning on May 25th, Alice and the Queen of Hearts Back to Wonderland will debut at Walt Disney Studios Park. This wild new show, inspired by the Disney animation film Alice in Wonderland, will feature high-flying acrobats pushing their limits in a supercharged pop and rock showdown with 2 possible endings. Over at Avengers Campus, a new nighttime activation will come to life by the end of 2024, taking place on the Worldwide Engineering Brigade building through spring 2025. This immersive experience will combine projections, music, and special effects alongside an all-new storyline. More about everything coming to the Disney parks, including the reimagining of Walt Disney Studios Park, will be shared at this year's D23, the Ultimate Disney Fan Event. Now in outside the parks news, coming to downtown Disney, more restaurants will be coming to the shopping district. This spring, come savor innovative flavors and culinary creativity with 3 new Mexican dining experiences, plus the announced timing for the arrival of Din Tai Fung, future plans for more new restaurants, and more sweet treats. With a vibrant expression of his native food and culture, Mexico's first Michelin-starred chef, Carlos Gaiten, is bringing authentic Mexican fare to the downtown Disney district. His dishes will take guests on a multi-sensory journey to the heart of his homeland through 3 distinctive concepts opening in the next few weeks: Paseo, Centrico, and Tiendita. A stunning staircase will lead you to Paseo's show-stopping dining room, a bar area lined with rich woods, tiles, textures, leathers, and custom accents that celebrate Mexico's craftsmanship culture. Centrico, the courtyard bar and restaurant, will be an energetic central gathering place serving upscale Mexican cuisine and tequila-based cocktails. And at Tiendita, you'll experience Mexican heritage flavors and street food staples on the go. Din Tai Fung, an awarded restaurant brand from Taiwan, will open this summer in the district, bringing their signature dumplings, wontons, noodles, steamed buns, bok choy, pork chop fried rice, and other flavorful dishes served family style. 2 new restaurant concepts, a steakhouse restaurant, and an adjacent barbecue eatery are in the works for the downtown Disney district as well. These will be located on the footprint of the former Tortilla Joe's. Something sweet is underway at Marceline's Confectionery, an all-new expanded and completely reimagined confectionery experience featuring your favorite treats and fun new tasty offerings. Marceline's Cart coming soon to the district. There you can pick up your caramel apples, churro toffee, and other handcrafted goodies. Alright everyone, that's it for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all for this week. Until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.